All right. Wow. First off, Chelsea really pressuring us, putting the team under a lot of pressure. Basically, most of the time, majority of the game, for about half an hour of the game, we've been camped in our own half. They have been countering really well. Balao and George Lewis causing a lot of problem. Beautiful goal from Balao in the first half, in the first 15 minutes or so. Back heel from Lewis, and he just slotted it home hard and low. Then in the latter stages of the game, Lewis again on the break, get one inside, cuts inside and hits it hard and low again. And really and truly, it was basically a solo goal. Picked up the ball from about half line and bring it straight, direct into our head at the edge of our 18-yard box, and just slot it home at the front post of Heen. But I think the keeper should have done much better with that. But so far, for the first half, Chelsea has been playing good. I have to give them credit for that. Well, Arsenal got back a goal. Well, it was the equalizer after Barlow first goal. About a couple of minutes later, free kick by Reece Nelson. Beautiful free kick, slotted home. Keeper had no chance. Best player on the pitch so far has been Reece Nelson and Lewis, and they have been playing really well. Lewis got a goal and assist, and so far, and Reece Nelson has a goal, a free kick goal, a banger. Balogun has been lost in the game so far. Hopefully, he can come back in the second half and really stamp his authority on the game. But a pretty average game from Arsenal for the first half for the U team, and I think they have to pick it up a bit because it's been really poor so far. But positive, as I said, Reece Nelson really stand out. But Chelsea at this point in time, they have been playing really well, and they have been battering us. So see you again at the end of the game. Military Guna TV. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, people. Subscribe.